So you guys can tell it's a whole ordeal to just be able to jack up the car from both sides. Man, these lug nuts are super hot. I think that's part of the reason why that rotor's toast and all that burning smell. So hopefully we'll get this thing. This is the bolt that I guess you have to do it backwards. I don't know. I get confused on all this shit. So obviously invest in your little tools. This little tool here. One time it took me like, I was like 2-3 hours into trying to get the ball joint, the lower ball joint, separated from the control arm, and it wasn't budgeting. One quick little run to part zone, auto zone. Picked it up. Made my day much better. Yeah, be careful with this. I'll jump up. Nice. No major issue there, I believe. Should be good? Yep. So like I said, invest in those little tools, man, because it took me forever last time. And I still had to run to the store. Next thing I want to do is get power tools. Armando was supposed to be here, but he lagged it, like always. He always falls asleep. So he was supposed to be doing the other side. Straight out lagged it. And then it's about 10, I think 10:30. I usually like wrenching earlier. The problem was that the plan was for Armando to show up, and then he was gonna drive this car here. I was gonna drive my wife's car. I was gonna do the rear brakes on my wife's car, and then we're gonna do this together. But since he's probably still sleeping because he's a lazy ass, and then I couldn't find my wife's keys, so I spent about 3 hours looking for them. I mean, which is one of those mornings where I'm like, well, I don't know, man. Got that. I think it's 14. So obviously you guys know how to, well, not all of you, but a lot of you know how to take out, you know, spindles and things like that. But I remember watching Tommy Law, and there was a few things that he would do that I knew how to do myself, but I felt like I was hanging out with him, you know what I mean? And on top of that, that's why I enjoy watching his videos. On top of that, like, he would just show us tips and tricks and things like that. So I don't do this so much for views and like. Obviously the brake line comes to the side. Then to ABS. Anyways, wouldn't do it for that reason. I do it more like, it's like you guys are hanging out with me type of thing. Let me go ahead and knock. The sucky part that I'm gonna be facing is I don't have the tool to bleed the system by myself, so it's gonna be tricky. So we're leaking. Alright. So yeah, I think that's what was causing the burning smell. It's crazy. Brake pads are pretty much new. I don't know. Things out. All right. Alrighty, so I don't think O'Reilly's gonna come through. We'll see. They don't have individual axle nuts, castle nuts, so they have like one of each size, and it's gonna be one of these two. And I really hope it's a thread on the actual castle nut and not on that thing. Because if it's on that thing, we're gonna run into more issues. And I really don't want to force it in. So let's go. Obviously, we still gotta hit it with the mean lean machine, which is called your arm. And do with that one. I don't know, man. Good. With the cotter pin. All right, with the rain kind of stopped, so this is my little setup to keep water from coming in. We're almost done with the install. Gotta put the brake line back there and then bleed the system. And the bleed the system, like I said, is gonna be one of the biggest pain in the asses because I'm gonna have to do it by myself. So step, 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 put something so it keeps the brake. Come here, do the nipple, repeat, repeat, repeat. It is what it is, man. Other than that, just gotta put the axle nut back on and hopefully we're good, man. Hopefully. All right, so now we're gonna start the bleeding process. Should be fine. Running back and forth pretty much. All right, update. Armando came through 3 hours later. Brought his power tools. He took care of this side in 5 minutes, I think. Yep. Took me like an hour to get the other side. Bullshit. But anyways, piecing everything together. And we should be good to go. And just as punishment, because he showed up super late, he's gonna buy lunch. He's always down to eat like me. I think that's why we're good friends. Hay que empezar a tirar tarjetas, güey. ¿Ah? Hay que empezar a tirar tarjetas. ¿Qué? Para mecánica. Rompemos cosas. We'll guarantee you we'll take it apart. That's the guarantee. You might have to call somebody else to finish it off. So far so good. No funny noises.
No clunks. A ver si no te sale el pinche action, güey, completo.
The first 5 minutes is the most crucial part after that.
Yep.
Yeah, the brakes feel a little bit on the lighter side.
Uh-huh.
One life to live, get it right. Let's take a ride. Kinda average, chasing green while cooking cabbage. Dreams of living lavish with bunnies or over carrots. Accumulating assets and everything that matters. Asian, I'm yellow with money, I'm looking like the Packers. I'm behind a cloud of smoke, before and after. Paragraphs explain visions my mind captures. Never scared when thinking of fear, it's not a factor. But fucking lame and whoever wanna see me shatter. Speaking of weapons, what I'm packing scares away my shadow. All I need is my pen, nickname my double barrel. Hell of heaven and hell on earth, ready for battle. And everybody die, so to me your life is borrowed. But what you do today will determine your tomorrow. So I'ma
Trust tu carro, no hay pedo. It smells like something was burning. Let's go back so we can pick up my wife's keys. Thank you. So Jackie should be okay. I drove her. I definitely can hear the difference between the suspension from before. So that's a good sign. And right now we're gonna go to my wife's. We're gonna actually fix my wife's rear brakes. So for now, enjoy a little bit of rollers from my homie Armando's E30. We should be lowering it very, very soon. So I know he's excited about that. He's had the coilovers for like a year now. So I should be new and exciting. We'll see how it goes.
Speaking of weapons, what I'm packing scares away my shadow. All I need is my pen, nickname my double barrel. Hell of heaven and hell on earth, ready for battle. And everybody dies, so to me your life is borrowed. But what you do today will determine your tomorrow. So I'ma keep doing me and everything will follow. Holla, steady chasing for the dollars. I'm out searching for breads like orphans without a father. I'm a beast, still I see beauty in life. Iceland look the same, but we nothing alike. Fuck living in fear when death is something that we all share. I mean the only fear I have is God say your prayers. Guns by my pillow, got me dreaming of gas. Listen man, I snort coke and I spit crack and lay dimes in their back. I'm so nasty, these pigs wanna charge me for raping the track. I go hard, I got my 9 on me.
Ay, güey. Ok, tú dime dónde, güey.
Ahí veo, güey.
Ahí mero.
Yeah.
¿Para que hagas tu cagazón?
Yeah.
Mira, qué fácil. Ah, puta madre. Mi mano, puta madre. Despacito, papi, despacito. Qué pinche contra. I can't even say the fucking word. Concentración, güey. No te rías, güey, esto es serio. Le chingamos las vergas al carro de mi esposa, güey. Ok, préstame la rag. Acá está. Primero hay que sacar esta madre, que ya me se mojó toda la puta. Una pinche mojera, güey. Esta vez. Bien limpiecito que quedó. Estamos limpios. A ver, espérate. ¿Puede? ¿O qué? ¿O Alice? Se puso. Vas a perfumar todo. At least we know that you're doing it the right way. Güey, la pinche, la cap se salió, güey.
Oh, it just clips back in.
No, mames. I've never had to clip that back.
Okay.
Ahí está bien, güey. Está bien. A ver, tratamos con esta de 4. Ahí está. ¿Estás bien?
Ya. Yeah. Ah, mira nomás.
Así que es esta madre, pues.
Hasta que te resbalaste, güey.
Agárralo bien, güey. Sí, güey, sí. Es un puto jale agarrarla y no puede.
I'll finish up this side. I'll get the rest of it.
Ah, sí. ¡Qué huevo! ¡Qué chingón!
No, pues sí, güey.
No entra como... No entra como te entra a ti, güey. Así que todavía no.